Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to reduce file size of Word document with pictures. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and included some picture. Now we want to reduce file size of Word document with picture. Click the picture. Then go to the format menu. Then click compress picture. Then check mark of the apply only to this picture. Then select the web page 115 ppi good for web page and project. Then click OK. Then save update the document and close the document. Then go back the file location and right button click on our mouse and go to properties. Then we check the file size 16.5 KB is very low. Now we can see here we reduce this file size very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.